In Surah Al-Mulk, and this you'll find in Zamakhshari, right? In Surah Al-Mulk, Allah says, أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ. Do they not look at the birds above them? Then Allah used two words. He said, صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ. صَافَّاتٍ, translation will say spreading out their wings, وَيَقْبِضْنَ, and clasping it. Now, some of you, if you translate that in English, it just sounds, yeah, spreading and clasping. But if you look into the Arabic, you see the word that is used for spreading is a noun. Safatin, it has tanween, it's a noun. And you know that in language, a noun denotes a permanent state of being. That is, this is a bottle. It didn't just become a bottle. It's always a bottle. But if I say put, right, that means I might have put it in the past or put it in the present or will put it in the future. So nouns have a more permanent connotation. And verbs are linked to tense, time. Which means the verse that Allah mentioned there, the spreading, had to be a more permanent state for a bird to fly, rather than the clasping, which had to be a temporary state, which is one of the wisdoms of safatin, used as a noun, and yaqbidna, clasping, used as a verb. How will you get this understanding if you don't have the Arabic? Because the Arabic just says, if you don't have the English. Because the English just says spreading out and clasping. Totally lost.